What's up, you guys? It's Teresa Plus 5 and I'm back with another video. Today, you guys, is going to be a cooking vlog. Yes, you guys, I know y'all ain't heard that sound in a long time. Cooking vlog. But yeah, today I'm making a cooking vlog, okay? I'm gonna be making lobster pasta.
Got a white boy on my roster, he be feeding me pasta and lobster.
I got this boy on my roster. He be feeding me lobster and pasta. Yes. But yeah, you guys, stay tuned for the cooking vlog. Okay, so you guys, to make the lobster pasta, I'm going to be using 3 packs of wild caught cold water lobster tails with butter. Well, it comes with butter. Okay. You're gonna need fettuccine pasta, so I'm gonna be using 2 packs. I'm gonna be using the garlic butter from Sam's Club, heavy whipping cream, Old Bay seasoning, a stick of butter, some fresh garlic, 1 lemon, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, parsley flakes, since I don't have fresh parsley, red crushed pepper flakes, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese. So these are all the ingredients we're going to need to make the lobster pasta. Okay, so you guys, I have minced up 3 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. Okay, so you guys, here are all 6 lobster tails, and we're about to cut them up. Okay, so you guys, I'm about to open the lobster tails up and put the meat on the outside, just like they do at the restaurants. So you're gonna cut it from here in the back. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but you're gonna cut all the way up the middle. Y'all see what I'm doing? You're gonna stop at the tail. Y'all see that? And then you're gonna break apart this right here to make the meat come out. I don't know the correct terms, but I just know how to do it. Because you want to just pull the meat out like this. But it's kind of difficult to do that. Well, let me make it a little, hold on, y'all. Okay, maybe I can do it now. Well, it's like wide like that, y'all see it? And I'm really just gonna pull it from the back. Y'all see what I'm doing? It's kind of hard to show y'all what I'm doing. Y'all see that? See how I pulled it out? Y'all see that? And then you're gonna lay it right on top. Like this, like how they do at the restaurants. That's how they do it, y'all. That's the secret. So this is how it looks. Okay? That's the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones off camera and then I'll show y'all. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna show y'all again up close. So you're gonna cut up from right here, from the back. You're gonna cut all the way up to the tail. Right there. And then you're gonna kind of try to split this part to the side a little bit so you can get the meat out. Y'all see that? Okay, now I'm gonna pull the meat from the back and just kind of push it out. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm pulling it all the way out. And I'm kind of using my middle finger and my pointer finger. Y'all see that? And then you just put the lobster on top. Get all like the little fat off. See? Y'all see that? Okay, so you guys, I am all done with putting the meat on top of the lobster shells. We're gonna go ahead and turn our oven to 400 to preheat it. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna go ahead and season the lobster tails with some onion powder. Y'all know I'm working with my left hand, so. Y'all see that? Now we're gonna go in with some garlic powder. Ooh. Some Old Bay seasoning. Ooh, that's the big thing. You can also put some chili powder on top, you guys, for the redness of the lobster if you want. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. And then we're gonna put some paprika on there. Okay, so this is before the oven. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna put the lobster tails in here for about 7 minutes. Okay. Okay, so you guys, while our lobster tails are cooking in the oven, we're gonna make our garlic butter sauce. So we have 1 stick of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic. I'm gonna add some Old Bay and some parsley flakes, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Okay, so y'all, this is how the garlic butter sauce looks. And we're gonna spread some of that on our lobster tails. These are the lobster tails fresh out the oven, y'all, after 7 minutes. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Oh. Oh my God. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that fresh garlic on there, y'all. Y'all gotta bear with me because I'm only working with one hand. Taylor went to the bathroom. This look good, y'all. Man, if y'all could smell these lobsters right now. Oh. Okay, so this is how it looks. We're gonna put it back in the oven on broil for 4 more minutes. Okay, so you guys, this is how the lobster tails look out of the broiler. Okay, so you guys, I have stripped all of the lobster meat from the shells. Okay, so y'all, now that the water is angry, we're gonna go ahead and put in our fettuccine pasta. Woo. We're gonna boil our fettuccine noodles for about 12 to 13 minutes, and we're gonna put some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna go ahead and make our Alfredo sauce. with some butter and extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit, y'all. Kind of mix it together. Y'all see how the olive oil and the butter is mixing together? We're gonna go ahead and pour in our heavy whipping cream. All of it. So you guys, I usually use cream cheese in my Alfredo sauce, but I didn't have any today, so couldn't put it in there, but feel free to put it in there, okay? Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of Old Bay seasoning to the Alfredo sauce and some parsley flakes. I'm gonna stir that in. And then I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese to kind of thicken it up. And then I'll add the lobster pieces. Okay, so you guys, we're about to make these Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. It's 8 of them in here. It says before you begin, preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Place frozen dough about 2 inches apart. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until lightly brown. Melt the butter in the microwave. Save bowl, spoon, or brush the biscuits and enjoy. But y'all, I think I'm just gonna make the biscuits. I probably won't put the butter sauce on it because we got so much butter everywhere. Okay, so you guys, this is how the biscuits look. Okay, so you guys, y'all see the sauce thickening up? It's kind of bubbling a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and add our lobster pieces. Look at that, y'all. Looks good, right? Look at this, y'all. Oh, look at them lobster pieces. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, see. Okay, so you guys, the lobster pasta is done. Give y'all all angles. Oh, it look good from over here, y'all. Okay, so you guys, the biscuits are done. And you're supposed to put the garlic, butter, herb seasoning on it, but it's really, really salty. So we're just gonna eat the biscuits like this. Okay, so you guys, this is how the lobster pasta looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my biscuit. Oh. And the meal is complete. Oh. Okay, so you guys, that will conclude the cooking vlog for today. If you guys like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video so we can grow. And also, put your notification bells on so you guys can be notified every time we post new content. Cause you gotta ring that bell.